I don't know where I'm supposed to be going, but
what we didn't realize is at some point we crossed the state line.
yeah, I had no idea this was in both states.
We learned something new today. So the Hoover Dam is, where'd it go? Is in both Arizona and Nevada. So we are about to leave the Arizona side and
Go back to Nevada.
go right over there on the other side of the dam to Nevada, which is like a 60-second drive. Today we are at the Hoover Dam in Nevada. We are on the Nevada side. We did realize that just right over there we had crossed the state line and we were in Arizona. So we didn't know before we got here that the Hoover Dam actually
Bordered both states.
yes, very closely. And right now it's not as busy as usual because all the dam tours have been canceled.
There's no damn tours.
No dam tours. They canceled every dam tour.
Every damn tour is canceled.
Every dam tour is canceled because of
know.
COVID.
I don't know how I feel about the damn tours being canceled. I don't
We're here for the dam tours.
know. No damn
No.
tour though.
We have to do the dam tours for you guys.
But that's what we do, so here we are. But yeah, this place is incredible if you've never seen it. Like,
These videos and pictures are not doing it justice because we have taken some picture and some video and we looked at them as we were taking it and
yeah, just I'm not a guy who likes heights either. And let me just tell you, that
way down there
is way down there.
and
but-
that over there is way up there.
Yeah, I was scared to death thinking I was going to have to drive across that. And I'm still a little bit scared, and I will be until we get out of here.
I
But-
don't know how I would feel about driving across. I'm not sure. We'd have to get up there and then I'd chicken out when the time came. So I don't know. Maybe
Ooh, that sun is bright.
But we were wondering, we did see the cables like right up there. You get the cables.
I did get the cables,
Rob got
but
the cables.
let me get it again.
And the cables actually go over and across the dam
Yeah, if you follow the cables,
into like a hole in the side of the, what is that, a mountain or
inside of the mountain, and it's blocked.
I do have a picture of it though.
Yeah,
where
we'll
I
insert-
zoomed in on it.
We'll insert a picture, but it's over there.
Yeah, and we don't know really what's in there because all the tours were canceled, so there's no one here to tell us really anything.
Right.
So maybe we can find somebody in the gift shop or somewhere and
Yeah.
they can tell us what it is. I don't know.
But I'll tell you what, these dudes were men back in the days.
Oh yeah.
Like, to just come out here and do this work and the physical labor they did and the heights and
And we're in a desert,
yeah.
so it wasn't cool.
Yeah, this is the middle of winter. No shirt, no jacket, brother. I do have a shirt on. But yeah, it's just these guys, man. I couldn't imagine what they went through back then.
So we'll, I guess, walk around and tell you the story of the Hoover Dam. Oh, they might be wondering, far as Halloween life at the Hoover Dam, Hoover Dam is supposed to be haunted. Everybody knows that.
That's right.
And we're not just Halloween. We are macabre, odd things.
And she's odd.
Quite odd. Hauntings. I mean, pretty much anything that surrounds that genre. But
Yeah.
there are said to be bodies still buried in here from when they poured it.
Yeah. And that wall right there, when they was pouring the concrete.
So what was it? Maybe 121 people, I believe, died here. What 121 is said to have died here, but it's rumored that there was more than the 121.
Right. But.
And of course, there have been like strange smells, sounds, you know, all the ghost stuff.
Start coming down that motherfucker, you ain't stopping until you hit the water.
So, we are at the Hoover Dam, as previously mentioned, and I guess I'm your guide, Katrina. This is the official Halloween Life tour of the Hoover Dam. So right now we're on the water side of the dam, and you can see the water just over there. And we are also on the Nevada side. And right behind me you can see the Nevada time. And just right over there on the other side of the dam, you can see a clock, and that clock means Arizona. So a little history about the Hoover Dam. It was built in 1935. There were quite a few deaths during the building of the dam. I believe it was 121, but Rob actually fact checked it, and it was 112. So I was wrong on that one. It's 112, not 121. And Rob did point out that if you look at the rock, you can see where it's lighter on the bottom and darker on the top. Those areas are actually where the water has been. It's been as high as that level. And right now it does look pretty low. So it seems like at that level, looking from this angle, that if it's as high as where the lightest rock is, that it was pretty much almost to the wall where I'm standing now. That's pretty high.
See, something crumbled and fell in over there. See, my brother did that.
Hmm.
It's an event center.
I wouldn't want to work in there. I'd be paranoid daily. And this is his burial site.